what we have here is the roof decking has been sprayed with an open cell foam insulation. An open cell is softer and it holds like a sponge. It's closed cell, a lot of times some people feel is better. It's still a good product. But then the gable vents, they've been closed up. All the vents have been closed up. So this attic doesn't breathe any longer. So when that happens, what should happen is all the insulation the original insulation should have been removed. All this is unnecessary. It traps any moisture that's in this attic, and temperature differentials too that can create moisture. It's all trapped in this attic space. So all this should have been vacuumed out. Your plenum's leaking, which is probably a good thing, because when you have a system like this without insulation on the floor and insulation on the roof decking, you're supposed to have air. This should be a conditioned space. It should be considered conditioned space, and it's just not the case. You're going to get some good use out of this. Your bills are going to be low, but it wasn't done right, and there's a potential for some problems.